So we have to prove that 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. So this is the left hand side, which is 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. We'll write it 3x square plus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square minus 84x. The formula of a plus b whole square. We'll use the formula of a plus b whole square. So these are the terms: 3x square, 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 whole square, and this is minus 84x. Now it will become 9x square in plus 42x plus 49 minus 84x. This is 7 square, and 3 into 2 is this, minus 42 square, 42x. Now it is 9x square plus 42x minus 84x plus 49. Now we will calculate it. It is 9x square, and after handling this, these two will get 42x plus 49. So 3x square minus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 whole square is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square, which is equal to right hand side. So this is the formula for opening 3x minus 7 whole square. Now we have to solve the whole square with the square of 71. So we write it 70 plus 1 whole square. Now x square plus y square plus 2xy. After applying this formula, we get 70 square plus 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1 square. Now it will become 4900 plus 140 after multiplication plus 1. Square of 1 is 1. So the final result will be 5041, which is equal to 71 square. It is equal to 5041.